Cooper is doing amazingly well. I just wonder how much she's going to pay for that later. If it wasn't for those 2 spots there, it would have been pretty good. But now we got to traverse about half a mile straight up. We're gonna build some sweat now.
I think I can.
I can. We just have to pace ourselves. We're not in a rush. Cooper is.
Yeah. Faster he gets up, the faster.
Yeah.
The better.
I remember when I used to do that.
Yeah. Oh, I remember when I used to do that too.
Yeah.
We used to do stairs in Edmonton. Because there's always some stairs that go up and down from the river to the top. But I was in my 20s.
When I would jog up a long hill, I would put my head down and count like 300 steps.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'd look up, see where I am,
Yeah.
and then 300 more. Trying to do the mind game on yourself.
One thing about me is I might be tired, but I will make myself do it. You have to crawl.
Well, that was a very nice little jaunt
That was really nice.
out to Fallbrook Falls.
Yeah.
Cooper showing his young spirit there. See how sore he is tonight.
Our young at heart
Yeah.
boy.
Pretty good for 85 years old and 2 broken hips and a pelvis and broken legs and stuff.
Oh, geez.
Dogs just want to